This is a quick step-by-step tutorial that teaches you how to make a lightweight infinity scarf. I designed this pattern so that you can easily use it with just a 1/4 yard of fabric, so that if you have any leftover length of fabric from another project, this is a perfect scarf for you to make. You can download the pattern if you visit the link in the description below. You don't have to give me an email or anything. It's just free to download there. So because this is a lightweight fabric, we're going to make a French seam. It takes a little bit longer to sew a seam this way, but it will make your final scarf a lot neater and more durable in the long run. To start with, you want to fold the scarf in half and sew the ends with wrong sides together. And then you want to sew a narrow seam of just 2/8 of an inch or a 1/4 inch. Now you want to trim the seam allowance, being careful not to cut the stitches. Flip the fabric around the seam that you made so that now you have the right sides together. You'll see that now you have the fraying edge of the fabric enclosed inside the seam so that there are no raw edges visible. Make sure to press this seam so that you can make it as neat as possible. Now you want to sew it with a narrow 3/8 inch seam. The scarf will now be a fully connected circle. Now all that's left to do is hem the scarf. Make a narrow hem all the way around on both sides so that you can keep the edges from fraying over time. Now you finished this lightweight, super easy infinity scarf.